Kita ngawan raja P ya kanika SSC question paper 2023 tier 1 kito kibrio kibakwa ban pass ya ka SSC Staff Selection Commission ka combined graduate level examination tier 1 ada pulai pipai ya kanika nuksa ki question but ki answer ngalabu hangne haka hakne ki video jama pidai ban pai ya kani ki video hadu benda kut kenang ba pinyo ya kata ka jingtoy lada kito kiba kwa bat kito kiba bom nang ban pai ya ka question paper kibala diap mo tongan stano combined graduate level examination arajan apun lai dear one roll number candidates BNews on digital June ID jets one sector 62 exam date can hatu 17th and 7th and 2023 exam time 2:30 p.m. and 3:30 p.m. Subject combines a graduate level examination tier 1. Question number 1. Looking at the picture of the women's, Benita said she is a wife of my brother. Father, how is the women in the picture related to the Benita? Hangne ka ansar kadai ka father mother. Father mother. Mut ka father but u mother. Mut ka day ka question number 4. Answer number 4. Number 2. Select the option that is related to the fifth letter close the way and the second letter close to related to the first letter cluster and such a cluster is related. MGX, VPG, TZC, CIL, HPX. Hang ne ka answer kadai ka answer number 4 hang neru kadai ka answer number 4 kadai ka answer number 4 hang ne choose option number 4 answer ma answer katuga dark green ma atasaka number 3 which option represented the correct order of the given word as they will appear in an English dictionary? 1. Green grit, green grow grapes granite. Hang ne ka answer kadai ka number 3 option number 3 kadai ka answer kat uneu 3 5.5 comma 5 mo 443 1243 kadai ka number 3. Question number 4. Select the options that is related to the third theme in the same way as the second theme is related to the first theme and the sixth theme is related to the fifth theme. 6 and 646 5 and une uday udah jingkli 4 nangta une uday udah exclamatory 4 190. Kemudian answer number 1 1 point per 373 answer. Question number 5. Select the number from among the given options that can replace the question marks in the following series. In the following series: 80, 73, 64, 53, 40. Hang ni kadai ka number 2. So kani ka way select the set in which the number are related in the same way are the following. Note the operator should be performed on the whole number without don'ts. It's the constituent. Kani kadai ka match mo. Ya kanete kadai ka number nengkong kani do. Kani ka answer kadai ka number nengkong. Nangta saka number 5. Number 7. Select the correct mirror image of the given finger when the mirror is placed at MN as shown below. Kini kidai kibeton kam e ban puli hak porba thoya ka SSC. Kani MN. Kani kan ngat ha kani ka SSC ke beladang dia bro. Kani ka answer kadai ka S5 J53 JF JT. Kadai ka number 4 answer. Each vowel in the word ethical is changed to the following letter in the English. Kaneru kadai ka number 2, 3. Vowel number 3. Kanai ka number 9 kadai ka number 4 answer. Mudandens the performing mathematical operation on 1s and 3 is not allowed. Kadai ka answer number 4. Question number 10. P at the rate Q means P is a brother of Q. Kanai ka answer if A, B, C at the rate C and D, E, then now is related to the E is husband a brother. Husband a brother. Kung kiniru ki e bahagi jingkali hakapor ba to yaka SSC mo hapay ba pule mo license housing. Question number 11. In the chatting could language play a coded RICV and 3 is coded as a VOGB. How will book is coded in the same language? 3DLQH. 3DLQH. Question number 3 answer. The question number 11 answer number 3. Nangta ka 12. Select the finger from among the given options that can replace the question mark in the following series. Ini question mark mo. Kani ka answer kadai ka number 1. Ka answer kadai ka number 1. The second number in the give a number pass in the candidates kani umyo iba. The constituents digit. Kani ka answer kadai ka number nengkong. Number 1. Answer number nengkong. Kani kadai ka khatlai. 13. 14. Select the correct combination of the mathematical signs of the sequence. Tilely replace the sign and to balance the given question. Kanero kadai ka answer number 3. 3 into plus divides minus equal. Kadai ka answer number 3. Question number 15. The select finger will be replaced the question mark in the following finger series. Kanai kadai ka number 3. SOXD Q V3. Kadai ka answer number 3. Question 16. Which of the following team will replace the question mark in the given series? Answer number 1. Number nungkong MGB, NIE, OKH, PMK, QOON. Question number 17. Select the correct combination of the mathematical signs that can sequentially replace the sign and balance the given question. 32, 42, 7, 7, 17 and 202. Answer number 1. Answer number 1. Question 18. Which of the following number will replace a question marks in the given series? 82, 79, 71, question mark 60s, 57, 49. Answer number 3. Answer number 3. 68. Select the option that related to the words and the same way to the second words is related to the first word. Kanai kadai ka 3 shops. Question number 19. Answer number 3 shop. Question number 20. 3 statements are given followed by the conclusions number 1, 2 and 3. To kanero direct no ya answer conclusion so mobile kanero ka ngat mo kanero ka ngat bahapo ka SSC. Answer number 2. Only the conclusions 1 and 2 follow. 1 and 2 follow. Only conclusions 1 and 2 follow. Number 2 answer. Question 21. 3 different positions of the same dice show 5 number on the face opposite to the face showing 5. Answer number 3 1. Once show a number on the face opposite to the face showing 5. Showing 5. Showing 5. Showing 5. There number 3, number 1. Answer. 22. Which options represents the correct order of the given word as they would appear in the English dictionary? Highway, history, here and here see, here because. Kanai kadai ka number 3. 5, 4, 1, 3, 2. Answer. 23. Select the option finger which the embedded in the given finger narrator is not allowed. Kanai ka answer kadai ka number 3. Kanai kadai ka number 3 mo. Question 23 kadai ka number 3 answer. Select the option and represents the letter that we consequently place for the left and the right in the blank below which complete the letter series. Kanero kadai ka answer number ORKPLYO.
number 4 answer. 25. Which of the answer finger is the exact mirror image of the given problem finger whence the mirror is held at the right sides problem finger? Kadai number 4. Number 3 answer. Kadai number 3 answer. Question number 25. Kadai answer number 3. Question 25 ka answer kadai number 3. To mentangan play ya pia kanai ke video tang arposan terlima. Kita kibala yo menpek ya kanai sengaja subscribe, buat share ya kiparlok jong pi kenang ban yo menpek bat pin yo ru ya ki video ngan senang play jadi.